All these fake Jews got away from hardcore, so call me Mr. Hood. If rapping was a race, I'll be in the next flight to Jamaica. Punches, hot knockers, I'm spitting on this hater. Whole lot of rappers up in this game. Everybody wanna rap, but my hood is the bestest. Wake up early from this money dreaming. I'm flawless, I'm early for this party, but my sneakers is the latest.
Some I catch them say official Starboy Virus fans.
What do I say?
Charlie and Diago. Say mom bro penny wa hase.
What do I say?
Oh yeah, senior man.
What do I say?
Oh, acting. Was I am a part, I can boldly say that, you know.
What do I say?
Indeed, I'm we are on set. I'm on set to trust them.
Yeah.
Musha then. I was about to call you fans.
And we know and easy. Starboy official TV. Say one subscribe was.
Yeah.
And near my back. Every flow terms.
I was a combination I ever.
Where they say you have a pop combination here to say.
Sir, I'm not saying no.
Papa.
And you remember rapping, you know,
it's way you have a pop combination which I didn't be seen.
The project I did, but I remember rapping.
To share didn't be seen.
Oh, like Rasnende and the virus, Shiana Rasnende, rapping, a virus, a bracket.
One day.
And then come on,
yeah, subscribe. What
they should watch out. They should
what I say? What I say?
Charlie, Raska, can you be telling fans? And I'm way out. Can you be Raska, can you do?
Oh, Africa.
For real?
Virus. The whole Africa only size. So that's it. There be a Koswa Starboy
Virus. Sure, for real. For real. For real.
Size. So, oh, share out now.
Oh, subscribe. Now,
subscribe. Now, the money and no
enough for us. We should be.
Especially a routine phone crowd. The enemy don't must be.
Oh,
but some
Raska.
Starboy.
Why you leaving now? Why you leaving now?
Kai, Mukoswa.
Yeah,
Oh, say Elawan men tankasa.
Tankasa.
Starboy Virus. Original.
Yeah, for real.
Hey, size.
Mama subscribe official Starboy Virus. Subscribe. Mommy is what?
Be subscribing. Na mo share. Na mo say. Ni mo dey band dey amount for any be ya no dey ni won yo me pa channel.
Yeah.
Kasa me kasa me kan ni. Won ko mo share. That was say so that see.
Mama me nka bi ntro. Mo bi nka bi ntro.
And we are no this more subscribe to Starboy Virus. Maybe any different level cry. Osha a foot womb, a some womb. To say any more people. Thank you, bye.
Thank you, bye. We are still here, you know. It has some like
Me and the game's global guy. They gotta put the game back to his feet when it was critical. It's of the game and your favorite rapper stands by the side for my hood. And you giddy, call up, cause we know they hear what you say. I do it for my hood. And you giddy, call up, cause we know they hear what you say. I do it for my hood. And you giddy, call up, cause we know they hear what you say. I do it for my hood. And you giddy, call up, cause we know they hear what you say. Teriyaki Baluta, Max Manor, Twist, Curse on every day. Too much news.
First of all, I made in Damasi because without you guys, I'm nobody. Yeah, and I'm reading most of comments now. I'm on the banner. The make us say Damasi because the comments in this shipping me, I'm meeting me a year a Juma Papa. Because most of the times, you know, so we have been asked to be a near tree to tell you said you're not strong or right. Yeah, not only said in your direction. But we were treating our trust at then we with the way you're right, way you're wrong. And my own habits I ship you life. Me that fans and I see be mama subscribe to official Starboy Virus. Me that must be brave. And about your mama motion, someone trying to subscribe me. We didn't need you, man. Because without you, the fans, me are nobody. When I team me somebody. When I read your comments, I mean who say motion videos and I'm it gives me the energy to work harder for you guys. Mr. Man, I'm here at 2020. Now I try to say my mom back to back like correct videos. And never I'm trying to be because I'm here to educate and then educate you guys. Mr. Me have been saying Koya I need the man my punch mama. Now is my corrections. That must be brave. Like me share comments in the brave. That boy Kalusha, I see you. That boy Kalusha, I see you. And then I see Obuase, there's this Obuase guy, Obuase Kwabena, Asunaba. Sure, for real, Asunaba, I see you, Kwaku Trigger. But I want to do fan channel fans no more doors. But if you want I am comment about and I have edit. Okay, let me just check. Let me show me correction here. I want to mention because I'm bold with him, but I don't know. Escape me. Let me check. Let me check. But my bold me after me domunyina. Like I appreciate your comments. I appreciate the love. I appreciate whatever you guys have been doing for me. Asunaba Kwabra Foso Obuase. Kofi Davis, I see you, the celebrity designer. I see you, Kofi 333. I see you, Sapon Kenneth. I see you, Awa Muhammad. I see you, GHHHG. I see you. I see you, Haruna Sky G. I see you, Newborn Records, sure, if I'm not mistaken. I see you, Kosi Mohammed. I see you, Richmond Apia. I see you, Dr. Zizo. I see you. I see you, True Trail. I see you, Emmanuel Eyabwa. I see you. I see you, Abubakar Sadek. I see you, Brefi Isaac. I see you, Nkrumah Faustina. I see you, Net TV. I see you, Apia Du Angela. Sure. I see you, Sister Neema. Is that Neema? Am I getting it right? I see you, Papa Gladys. I see you, Jesus Mario. I see you, Edward Ofosu. That boy Kalusha. As I said earlier on, that boy Kalusha. I see you. I see you, Laputa Felix. Laputa Felix. I see you, Ahene Prince. I see you, Sianyao. I see you, Ajingo 49. I see you. I see you, Rahina Zakari. I see you, okay. I see you. I see you, Ken HM. I see you, Alex Mafo. I see you, Nanagana. I see you, Dennis Efa. And some bad pressure on me, so fans not gonna mount me in the tree.
It's a big below. You test me, and from where I stand, you go 6 feet below. I'm a lightning in the game, but me no Illuminati. They get proud and boast of me, I'm the game's new Bugatti. They gotta put the game back to his feet when it was crippled. Voice of the game, and your favorite rapper stands my